This is my family. Mark is loving, caring too. Jake is crazy, woohoo! June is clever, bright and sweet. And these are buddies new.
Mark likes to take the kids out and teach good things.
Dad, are we going to the same old play area?
Tiny one by the school, Dad.
We are going to a new one today.
New one?
Yay! Whoa! This place is huge!
I don't know where to start.
Perfect. Big places are made for big learning.
I'm climbing to the top!
Go for it. Just don't rush your hands.
I'm bad at this.
Pause. Say that again, but change one word.
Bad at this?
Try adding yet.
I'm bad at this yet.
These pieces don't make sense.
What does your brain say when it's confused?
That I'm not smart enough.
Does confusion mean stop? Or learn?
Learn?
Exactly. June, solve just one piece, not all of them.
Only one?
Only one.
Oh, that worked!
What did you do differently?
I slowed down.
I'll climb slower this time. Still didn't make it.
But you went higher. What do we call going higher than before?
Progress?
That's growth.
Dad, can you do this without falling?
Let's find out.
You failed.
No, I learned where I lost balance.
You're not embarrassed?
Why would I be? I'm practicing.
Jake, try your left foot first.
Okay, slow. My legs are scared.
That's okay. Courage isn't loud. Jake, what should you tell yourself?
I can learn this.
Say it louder.
I can learn this. I did it!
Yay! You didn't quit! I'm stuck again. June, try flipping it. Yes!
Did your brains change today?
Yeah, they got stronger.
Because we didn't give up.
So, what's our new rule?
Hard means growing.
Remember,
If we can't do it,
We can't do it yet. Dad, my legs are tired.
that's a good tired.
yeah, like when your brain worked hard too.
Dad, is growth mindset just about not quitting?
That's part of it. But it's a little bigger than that.
Bigger. How?
Let me tell you a short story. Once there were two kids learning to climb a hill.
A real
A real one. Steep. Slippery.
Like the climbing wall today?
Exactly like that. The first kid slipped and fell.
Did it hurt?
A little. Mostly his feelings.
What did he say?
He said, I can't do this.
And then?
He stopped trying and walked away.
So he never learned?
Right. His hill stayed hard forever. The second kid fell too.
Same fall?
Same fall.
What did he say?
He said, I can learn.
Even after falling?
Especially after falling. Every fall showed him where not to step.
So the hill didn't change, he did.
Exactly. That's growth mindset.
It's not being good right away?
No,
It's believing you can get better.
with effort. With practice.
And with mistakes.
Especially mistakes.
So when something feels hard,
Our brains are growing.
And when we quit.
the growing stops.
I don't want my brain to stop growing.
Then keep trying.
Hard things help us grow.
grow.
If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us create more stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time.